Hello everyone, my name is Ash. Today I'll be presenting my game based on Flappy Bird, and I have created it using pygame. So let me run the game. Here it is. So this is the initial window which is set when the game is turned off. When we press the space, the game starts running. So we control this bird. We have to go in between the pipes or and so score will update for every second, which will update by 1 second. Uh, Whenever we press space, this sound will come, and when the game ends, the game ending sound will come. And the score will be updated after the game is ended, which is when we hit the pipe or the downward surface of the screen. Next, let me give a walkthrough through the code. So first, let me tell about the bird. So I've imported a picture of that bird in three flaps: downward flap, upward flap, and mid flap. Now here are the all three flaps. I've used this convert alpha because if I load the original image, there will be a black background in the bird, and using after using convert alpha, it will go. I've used bird frames as a list of bird down flap, mid flap, and upward flap, using which I have defined bird animation. I I create a new bird and a rectangle, and then return it to show whenever space is pressed for all the three things. Then there is a rotate bird. I have used rotate bird to there is an animation which I was unable to show in the game. Then we have pipe. So here every 1200 second in the timer a pipe is spawned. So when the game is initialized, so here event type is equals to spawn pipe. In the pipe list which I have created a list, a pipe is created. Create pipe is a function which I have defined. In create pipe, I in the random position, uh, I create bottom pipe and top pipe rectangles, and then return them. Then we draw the pipes in using screen blade function, and then we move the pipe center x, the rectangle of the pipe in the center of the rectangle of the pipe by -5 x coordinates. And when the pipe reaches -600, the pipes are removed to save the memory. Then here we are checking for the collision. If the bird and the pipe collide, that sound will be played. The bird rectangle and the pipe rectangle collide, that sound will be played, and the game will be stopped. And here we are displaying the score in main game, and when the game is over, we are updating high score here. And this is the game font. This is the gravity which I use so that when the space is not pressed, the bird goes downward in the y coordinate. These are all the assets which I have loaded. So when the game is active, the gravity is acted upon the bird. Rotate bird is acted in the bird surface, so to give the bird animation. The and bird rectangle is shown, is created and shown in this rotate bird function. Then they are loaded onto the screen, and every time the game is active, the collision is been checked. Then in the pipes, the pipe list, pipes are moved, pipes are removed. Earlier here the pipe were created. Event type in event type spawn pipe were created every 1200 millisecond. Then the score is updated every 1200 millisecond with every 1 millisecond with 0.01 score display main game, and score sound displayed. And when the game is full, the game over screen is shown, high score is updated, and game over screen is there. Here the floor, which is the base. So I've created like the base picture. It was small, so I extended it by two size. uh, I took two load of this, and both are moving from right to left. So when one reaches minus 576, the other will be at 0. The first one will go on the right side. Then the FPS is set to 120, and here I've updated the display in the game active. uh, Either the game is active or false. So this is my project. Thank you.